Hey there, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Claude Code in CLI and inside Antigravity. So at first we are going to download Antigravity. I already download Antigravity. So to download this Antigravity, you have to actually go to the Antigravity official site, and that is Google Antigravity. If you type antigravity.google.com, then you will come to this page, and if you click here download, then you will find here different operating system like macOS, Windows, Linux. So currently I'm using macOS, so I'm going to select this one, download for Apple Silicon. If you are from Windows, you have to download for x64, and then you will get .exe file. Then double click on the .exe file, and then you just have to go for the next, and then you can actually install it easily. So I'm assuming that you can do this. So we got here Antigravity, right? So let's go open Antigravity. I'm going to go to the finder, then application, then Antigravity. Here is my Antigravity. I'm going to open it. Here I'm going to download an extension. So the extension name is Claude Code for VS Code. If you type here Claude Code for VS Code, you will find it and then install it. And when you will install it, under this extension section, you will get here Claude Code. Here you can see this option. So here you will find login option. You just have to log in through your Claude account. And to create a Claude account, you have to actually use your Gmail or Google account, okay? Or on the other hand, you can click here, then you will find chat option here. Then if you say here /terminal, then you will find open Claude in terminal. So here is the Claude terminal. Now we are going to actually, if you type here Claude, here you can see Claude command not found Claude. Why? Because we haven't actually installed CLI. So to install command line interface, we have to actually write down here a command. So the command contain npm. Npm is for package installing. So if you want to use npm if you want to download through npm, that is package installer. So what you have to do, you have to actually download Node.js at first in your PC. So let's go to the browser and download Node.js at first. So to download Node.js, you have to go to the Node.js official site. If you search nodejs.org, then you will find it, and if you click here download, then you will come to this page, and here you can see we have version 25 is the current version, but I will recommend you to go with long-term support version, which will contain LTS. Here you can see, go with the latest one, okay, and download this file. If you're from Windows, you have to, there will be by default selected Windows option, here you can see, and then you have to actually download .msi file. Then you just have to double click on the file, and then it will actually start installing. The installation process is really simple. I hope that you can actually do this. Now to check if you have successfully installed Node.js or not, you have to go to the terminal, and then you have to say here node -version. You will get the Node.js version. I have downloaded version 25, but I will recommend you to go with version 24, okay? Now this is my terminal, and here I want to actually close this terminal. Now we can actually remove this browser, and we can go back to the Claude Code here and in the terminal, okay? So the process is simple for the VS Code also, but we are using here Antigravity. That's it. It's an IDE also. Now what you have to do here, you have to run a command that is called npm, okay, then install, then space -g or -g, whatever you say, to install it globally basically, and then add entropic, okay, entropic -ai, entropic AI, then / then Claude -code. Now hit enter, then it will start installing Claude Code. Here you can see we got here some error, and we haven't actually set the path. So here is the error. You can see path usr local live node modules entropic AI. So the operation was restricted by your operating system. It's likely you don't have to, you don't have the permission to access the file as the current user. So what you have to do, we have to actually add, set this as global variable, okay? We have to set the path. So if you're from Windows, this is really simple. You have to actually press in the Windows option, then you have to search env, then you will find edit environment variable, then click here, then system environment variable, then add new one, and then paste this, okay? So you have to select path under system variables, and then you have to add the path. So this path will be added in the new path. That's it. Then the error will be solved. In macOS, we just have to use here sudo, because I have to actually give the permission. So I'll say sudo super user do. Okay, now I'll hit enter, and this time it will work. Now I just have to give the password of my macOS login password. Here we go. Now it's working. You can see at the bottom it's working. So it will take some time. I'm going to fast forward the video. Here we go. We have successfully added two packages. Here you can see it means we have successfully installed Claude CLI. Now let's just delete it and reopen terminal. So here I'm going to say /terminal. Okay, terminal. Then you will find here open code in terminal. And now if I say Claude, 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 here you will find Claude within short time. Here you can see Claude. Now you can select the dark mode or light mode, which one you want. I will go with the dark mode. So I'll hit enter, and then now I will actually continue with the Claude account with subscription. So to continue with the Claude account with subscription, you have to buy Pro at least. I have already the account, so I'm going to continue with this one. I already have the account. Let me just log into my premium account. There we go. Currently I'm logged in with my premium account. Okay. Now I will go back here in the Antigravity, and from here I'm going to command plus click to open it. Okay. You have to press command plus click to open it. Now click here open, and now I will add it to my premium account. And now here you can see I have option here authorize. So I'll click here authorize. Now I'll copy the code, and let's go back to the Antigravity, and here I will paste it. Hit enter. Here you go, login successful. And press enter to continue. Now press enter to continue. And now yes, use recommend setting, and we have the second option here, no maybe later with terminal setup. I'll go with the first one, and I will trust the folder. So the folder actually we haven't created yet, so I'm going to exit it for now, because I want to use Claude in a different folder where my project will be. Okay, so I'm going to remove all of them, and I'm going to go to the file explorer, and here I'm going to open a folder. Let's say I want to open a folder in the downloads. Here I want to create a new folder. Let's say I'll say test Claude CLI. So this is going to be my project directory. I'll add it. Here is the project directory. Now I will open here new session. Here you can see, and here I'm going to say /terminal, then open Claude Code terminal, and here I'm going to say Claude, CLAUD, Claude. Now I'll hit enter. Then here you can see I will say here yes, I trust this folder. Now I can ask anything. Now I can ask that generate, or I'll say create an index.html file with following section. I'll say home, projects, about me, skills, contact me. And this is going to be a portfolio site. So add username as Tanvir, and add extra information about on video editing. Basically you have to give here prompt. So to generate a prompt, you can go through any chatbot like ChatGPT, then Gemini. Okay, and you can give here the prompt, but for the tutorial purpose I will just go with as simple as possible. Now I'll hit enter, then it will actually generate the file for me. Now I'll select number 2 option, yes, allow all edit during this section. Now I will check that if there are any style sheet added or not. Yes, added inline style sheet. Now we'll access this project. So let's go to the download folder, because we have created the project inside download. And here is the project. I'll open it in the browser. We have a nice professional portfolio site here. You can see I have here all the section. You can see. That's it, guys. I have shown you how you can install Claude Code CLI on Antigravity and how you can create project through it. I mean, how you can use Claude Code CLI. If this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.